Hey, I'm John Catalano, Director of Product Development for Diamond Audio. And today I'm going to be talking to you about our Neo 1500.6 DSP amplifier. So one of the great things about this DSP amplifier is it has 8-channel DSP, 6 channels of amplification. So you're looking at 150 by 6 at 4 ohms or 250 by 6 at 2 ohms, plus 2 extra channels of output for the DSP, so you can run a separate amplifier if you want to expand your system, all in this compact chassis. So some of the other great benefits of this amplifier is it's got OEM integration built in. So it's got load resistors, so if you're using a vehicle that has the system that'll shut down if it doesn't see a load, we've got all 4 of those built into the amplifier. It takes up to 17 volts of input, so it's great for an EV, and it has auto turn on with voice, or we call it Vox, or DC offset, or the traditional turn on. So it's ready for any application. IP6 rating, so marine, motorcycle, car, boat, anything you can think of, this amplifier is going to work for you. So one of the innovative things we did with this, because it's a water resistant amplifier, you have this connector here. You're not going to have a normal set of RCAs. So you usually have a pigtail, and you're going to put your RCAs on there. Well, what happens is if you have 8 RCAs together, you get this big giant knot all together. So what we did is we thought ahead, and these are staggered. So when you line them all up, you're only going to have the thickness of 1 set of RCAs through the whole bundle. One of the other things we did is we made the connector a nice quick release connector for your power and ground. So you can connect that, make sure you get a nice tight connection, then plug it in. Also helps for serviceability if you need to get at anything. Another cool thing we did is we overmolded the speaker connector. So no more pulling wires out of the Molex. They're all encapsulated into this connector. Makes it really nice. Plugs into the amplifier just like the power connector. Money, install. All right, guys, so that's the Neo 1500.6 DSP amplifier. We also have a 4-channel, and then we have a monoblock in this size and a larger monoblock in this size with 1,000 and 2,000 watts respectively. So check out diamondaudio.com and get these for your next install.